This is Taylor throwing Alex an egg. We already did it once and Alex made it end up on the floor. So here we go again. Taylor with an egg.
I'm gonna pee.
Alex getting ready for the catch. Hold on. I have to get Alex. Okay, ready, set, go. Yay! Oh God. Ready, go.
Let's keep playing until it breaks.
Till it breaks? Oh, y'all are gonna keep going till it breaks? Are you sure? Oh, Taylor, hold on. I can't. Whoa! Hold on. Go. Do it. And there's the egg.
Bye! Have a nice day.
Alex, you get to clean up the mess since you did.
It's fun. You missed it. You already missed it. Threw it at me. Love you. This has been the Sarah Alex Taylor show thingy.
Taylor has chocolate all over her face.
Chocolate covered strawberry. This is what you could get, boys.
Oh gosh.